Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
What's up guys, Yuki here. Finally I've got over 40,000 followers on my Facebook page, but I cannot speak Tagalog at all. So I tried to take a Tagalog lesson with Japanese YouTubers Shunki, Yuki, and Yuya as our first experience. This time, I'm gonna show you guys our first lesson. Check it out.
はい。今日はタガログ語を、教えていただくということで、アンジェリ先生、よろしくお願いします。
お願
いします。
はい。というわけで、初めはちょっと挨拶から、もしよかったら、みんなビギナーなんで、挨拶から教えてください。
お願いします。
お願いします。じゃあ、最初は、なんか、こんにちはという、なんか、カムスタか。なんか、元気ですか？
ハムスター。
はい。
カムスター。
ハムスター。ハムスター。
そうです。大丈夫です。カムスターの意味は、こんにちはとか、お元気ですかって。おはようございますは、タガログで、magandang umaga。
magandang umaga。
magandang umaga。
magandang umaga。magandang umaga。アンジェリ先生。
はい。お昼の挨拶は、magandang tanghali。
難しいな。
難しい。
magandang tanghali。
tanghaliは、なんか、午前11時から午後12時か11時までかな。
なるほど。
だけです。それだけ。
先生、ちなみに、昨日ちょっと一昨日勉強したのが、マガンダンアラオって言うんですけど、こんにちはですか？
そうですね、なんか。
よかった。
はい。それもいいです。
マブハイはどうですか？マブハイ。
マブハイは、greetings とか、なんか。
乾杯。
Yeah, something like cheers or something.
Cheers.
Or like something like, hi, what's up, bro? Like that.
Yeah. So, yeah, that in that context.
マブハイアンジェリ先生。
In that context, that means banzai in Japanese. Sometimes it could be used as banzai, mabuhay. It could be, hey, what's up?
Is this a casual one?
Is it okay we can use Mabufai for like meeting, like business meeting?
I don't think so. I don't recommend it. Maybe from 1 p.m. to like 4 or 5 p.m. So it is magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon. Teacher.
Yes?
I learned hapon means Japan.
Yeah, that's right.
Magandang hapon is like a hi Japanese.
Is it beautiful Japan?
So accent is quite different. So yeah.
I see.
How
In
different?
Japanese, we say hapon.
Hapon.
Yeah, hapon.
Hapon. This one is hapon.
Yes, that's right.
I see.
Afternoon is hapon.
Hapon.
So magandang hapon means good afternoon.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon means beautiful Japanese, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful Japan or beautiful Japanese, yeah.
Okay, tapos, how about good evening?
Good evening. It's magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Yeah.
How about midnight?
Only good night?
Yeah, we don't have like an equivalent when you say good night.
What is good morning again?
Yeah, sure. So, good morning is magandang umaga.
Magandang
Magandang umaga.
Yes, magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Noon, good noon is magandang tanghali.
Magandang tamhali.
Tanghali, yeah. Good afternoon, like after 12 or after 1 p.m. is magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
No, hapon.
Hapon.
And the good evening is magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Okay, we can greet to Filipino finally.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, thank you. Magandang hapon, Angeli. Teacher Angeli.
Magandang hapon.
Teacher,
Hi.
I have a question. How can I say I love you in Tagalog?
Oh, it's very important.
It's mahal kita.
Thank you,
Mahal
teacher.
ka.
Thank you, teacher. Thank
Oh,
you.
Mahal din ka.
I have a question to Kikuchi-san.
Hi.
How many times did you say mahara to teachers? How many times?
One each hour. Only one.
I see. Every night,
Every night.
every hour,
night,
every
morning.
hour.
Yeah, every
Every
morning.
second. Every second.
Every lunch, every second. How can I say you are handsome in Tagalog?
Pogi.
Salamat.
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 Thank you very much.
Yeah. You're all pogi.
Thank
Salamat.
you. Salamat.
How about the for female?
You can say
You know,
maganda.
beautiful or cute.
Beautiful is maganda ka.
Maganda.
Maganda ka.
Maganda ka, Teacher Angeli.
Maganda, teacher.
So for Filipinas, so which is the better, cute or beautiful?
I think they would appreciate it if you say maganda. They would
Maganda.
appreciate it more.
Yes, yes,
Maganda.
yes.
Maganda.
Maganda ka. Maganda ka.
Maganda. Maganda ka.
Magandang kayo ka, teacher.
You're mixing Tagalog and Bisaya.
Ah, oh my God.
Maganda kila.
And ngiti is smile.
Ngiti.
Pero
Ngiti.
ngiti.
これは難しいね。
Maganda ang ngiti mo.
Ganda ang ngiti.
Maganda ang ngiti mo.
Okay, it's almost time na. 5 p.m.
Yeah.
It's over.
ありが
Thank
と
you for teaching us, Teacher
Salamat
Angeli.
po.
Thank you for Salamat po. Thank you for teaching us.
Teacher, bye-bye. ありがとう。Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
It's done. It was difficult, but so much fun. I hope I can speak Tagalog. By the way, all of us have YouTube channels. I put URLs to our channels on the description. All of them would entertain you. Check out their channels. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please teach me some Tagalog phrases. Write down good Tagalog phrases for me on the comment, please. See you next time. Mabuhay!
捕まえるのよ星屑さらいつでも